Hello guys, once again welcome back to Darkwolf VFX Studio. In this video we are talking about the general tips and tricks of Davinci Resolve for beginners. First, we need to add a text to our timeline. For that, go to FX, then go to Titles. Here we can see an option Text Plus. Now drag Text Plus to our timeline. Easy. Now go to Fusion page. Here we get a text and an output node. Now disconnect the pipeline from media out. After that, go to our folder and drag and drop a video or image to our workspace. Now draw a pipeline from our text to our media's blue input. I mean the alpha input that is using for masking. After that, connect the media to our media out. Let's see the magic. Our text get an effect like animated text. Easy and wonderful. For this, you can use any image and video in between the media out and the text. The important thing is that you should connect the text in the blue input of our media. That's all. Also, you can go to the inspector and go and transform. Here, you can adjust the title where we like. Go to the second tip. Now we can export our title animation as a video with alpha background output. I mean, you can export the title animation without background like PNG image. Easy. First up, we can create an animation to our text. For that, click on text and go to viewer, change the playhead to 0. After that, come to inspector. Here you can see size. Right click on the size and choose the option animate. After that, reduce its size to 0. Now come back to the viewer. In this case, I am moving the playheader to 20th frame. Choose the position where we want. And choosing the 20th frame, you can see here the playheader on 20th frame. After that, go to inspector and increase the size like this. Now we can play the video. It's look like this. If you need more stunning text animation videos, then go to our description. There is a playlist. Now go to the deliver page. Here we need an important step. Go to the custom export settings. Here we need to add a name. I'm giving a name alpha. After that, choose the location. I choose desktop. Now go to export video. Under that you can see format. Change the format to QuickTime. Okay, format to QuickTime. After that, go to Kodak. The important thing is that we can choose any of these Kodak, but in this case, we choose GoPro Cineform. GoPro Cineform. Now go to the type. Here we can change the type from 10-bit to 16-bit RGB. Confirm that you are on QuickTime, GoPro Cineform. After that, RGB 16-bit. After doing these settings, you get a new option alpha output. That is the very important settings. Check that. After that, click on add render queue. Now click on render. After that, right click here and reveal in Finder. Now we can see the alpha video. Right click and open with any player. You can see our animated video is coming with alpha output. Do not bother about these background checks. Now back to the Davinci Resolve for confirming that video have no background. For that, I added a generated video on the first track. After that, I added our alpha video on the second track. Here you can see there is no background. Easy and powerful. Try it. The importance is that you can export the video and use this video as a preset on any other video editing software. Also, you can use this as a preset on your Davinci Resolve. I'll show you on this video as a tip. Now we can go to the third tip. If you are happy with the second tip, then please like our video. Also, subscribe our channel. Now we can go to the third tip. In edit page, we can go to the media pool. Here we can see a 3 dot, click that and choose the option Show Power Bins. Check that. Now you can see a power bin is activated here. Also a master folder. Inside the master folder, I have this preset, but you have nothing inside that. So right click here and choose a new bin. Here we can give any name, text, animation like that, or effect, anything like that. After that, I double click and open the folder and drag and drop this video to our text animation folder. The important thing is that you can use this as a preset on each and every project. I open a new project and go to the text animation folder inside the power bin and select that video, then drag and drop to my new timeline. It's working perfectly. Perfect. The other important thing is that you do not delete the original file from the folder. I will show you the example. I am deleting the video from this desktop. It also disappears from our Davinci Resolve folder. Okay? So, you do not delete or change the location of our file that we added to our power bin. Now we can go to the next step. In Davinci Resolve 20, I added a video to our first track, then added one more video on the second track. After that, I am going to Fusion page. Here, we can't see the background, only the upper track video. This video is loaded here. Don't worry, we have a solution in Davinci Resolve 20. Go to Media Out and go to Inspector. Here we can see an option Mix. Click that. Now we can see the background what we added in our timeline. Also, we can add one more video to our timeline. You can see that both are seen in Fusion. Okay, but that is not loaded in Fusion, so we can edit faster. There is no lag. Here I have one more option. Click on the Media In and go to Inspector. Here we can change the media source. Now it shows all the videos in the timeline. Now click on this timeline and change it to background. Now we can see only the background. Okay, that is not important, but you just learn about this. Okay, now we can go to the next step. This time I added a video from my presets, added this video to our timeline. Now I'm going to color page. Here I can color grade this video like this. Now I'm going to Fusion page. This time I can't see the color correction or color grading in Fusion page. What to do? Don't worry, Davinci 20 have the solution. Click on Media Out, then go to Inspector. Here we can see color. Click that, or you can use the Mix option. You can see all the color grading on Fusion page also. Now add a text plus from here and drop to our workspace. After that, connect it to Media Out. Now click the text and go to Inspector. Here we can write something. Also, I am going to add a background. Now connect it to text output. Now we get a new merge, also a background. Here we get a problem. The background is going to forward, also the foreground text going to background. What to do? Don't worry. Right click on the merge and choose the option swap input. Now click on the text and I adjust it like this. Also click on the background and change its color to red. Now I need a shadow for our text. What to do? Click on the text and use the shortcut Shift Space for the tool menu. Here we can search shadow or SH. Here we get a shadow, also a drop shadow. I choose the drop shadow and add. See this, we get a drop shadow. For more settings, click on the drop shadow node, then go to Inspector. Here we can see shadow strength. Adjust the shadow strength, also the drop angle. Also the distance and the blur amount. I added like this. Also you can change the color of our shadow. I like the black color, so I added like this. Now you can drop a comment if you like this video. Also you can like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. See you in next time. Bye bye.